Hi, DS. Due to COVID-19 pandemic and national and international lockdowns, CBSE has reduced the syllabus for the academic year 2020-21. Now, last day CBSE officially announced 30% reduction of syllabus. Today let us review 12th grade physics syllabus for 2022-21 academic year. We know 30% discount offer is actually a great offer at this situation. Now, Unit 1 we have electrostatics. Chapter 1 electrostatic charges and fields. I am giving the old syllabus now and what CBSE has reduced, taken off with a red color. You can see that I have striken off that part. Electric charges, it is there. Conservation of charge, Coulomb's law, force between 2-point charges, forces between multiple charges, superposition principle and continuous charge distribution, electric field due to a point charge, electric field lines, electric dipole, electric field due to a dipole, torque on a dipole in uniform electric field, electric flux, statement of Gauss's theorem, its application to find field due to infinitely long straight wire, uniformly charged infinite plane sheet, but uniformly charged thin spherical shell, field inside and outside, that is reduced. Chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance. Electric potential is the potential difference, electric potential due to a point charge, a dipole and system of charges, equipotential surfaces, electric potential energy of a system of 2-point charges and of electric dipole in an electrostatic field, conductors and insulators, free charges and bound charges inside a conductor, dielectrics and electric polarization, capacitors and capacitance, combination of capacitors in series and in parallel, capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with and without dielectric medium between the plates, energy stored in a capacitor. Now, in third chapter, current electricity. Electric current is the flow of electric charges in a metallic conductor, drift velocity, mobility and their relation with electric current, Ohm's law, electrical resistance, VI characteristics, linear and nonlinear, electrical energy and power, electrical resistivity and conductivity, carbon resistors is reduced. Color code for carbon resistors is also reduced. Series and parallel combinations of resistors also reduced. Temperature dependence of resistance is there. Internal resistance of a cell, potential difference and EMF of a cell, combination of cells in series and parallel, Kirchhoff's law and symbol applications, Wheatstone bridge, meter bridge are there. Potentiometer, it is the principle and its application to measure potential difference and for comparing EMF of two cells, measurement of internal resistance of a cell. Now chapter 4, moving charges and magnetism. Concept of magnetic field is there, Oersted's experiment, Biot-Savart's law and its application to current carrying circular loop, Ampere's law and its application to infinitely long straight wire, straight and toroidal solenoids, only qualitative treatment, Force on a moving charge in uniform magnetic and electric field. Cyclotron is cancelled, reduced. Force on a current carrying conductor in a uniform magnetic field is there. Force between two parallel current carrying conductors, definition of ampere. Torque experienced by a current loop in uniform magnetic field is there. Moving coil galvanometer, its current sensitivity, its conversion to ammeter and voltmeters are there. Chapter 5, magnetism and matter. Current loop as a magnetic dipole and its magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment of a revolving electron. But electric field intensity due to a magnetic dipole, bar magnet along its axis and perpendicular to its axis, reduced. Torque on a magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field, reduced. Bar magnet as an equivalent solenoid is there. Magnetic field lines. Earth's magnetic field and magnetic elements, it is there. Para, dia and ferromagnetic substances with examples reduced. Electromagnets reduced. And factors affecting their strengths reduced. Permanent magnets not there. Chapter 6, electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction, Faraday's law, induced EMF and current, Lenz's law, eddy currents, self and mutual induction, or topics are there. Chapter 7, alternating current, AC, peak and RMS value of alternating current, voltage, reactance and impedance. LC oscillations, qualitative treatment only. LCR series circuit, resonance, power in AC circuits, but power factor is reduced, wattless current is reduced, AC generator is there and transformer is there. Chapter 8, electromagnetic waves, basic idea of displacement current reduced. Electromagnetic waves is there, their characteristics, their transverse nature, qualitative ideas only. Electromagnetic spectrum, radio waves, microwaves, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-rays, gamma rays, all other, including elementary facts about their uses, it is also there. Chapter 9, ray optics and optical instrument. Reflection of light is reduced. Spherical mirrors, it is not there. Mirror formula reduced. Refraction of light is there. Total internal reflection and its applications, it is there. Optical fibers, refraction and spherical surfaces, lenses, thin lens formula, lens maker's formula. Magnification, power of a lens, combination of thin lenses in contact, refraction of light through a prism, but scattering of light is reduced. Blue color of sky, reddish appearance of the sun at sunrise and sunset is reduced. Optical instruments are the microscopes and astronomical telescopes, reflecting and refracting and their magnifying powers. That topic is there. Chapter 10, wave optics. Wavefront is there. Huygens principle is there. Reflection and refraction of plane wave at a plane surface using wavefronts. Proof of laws of reflection and refraction using Huygens principle is there. Interference, Young's double slit experiment and expression for fringe width is there. Coherent sources and sustained interference of light is there. Diffraction due to a single slit is there. Width of central maximum, it is there, but resolving power of microscope and astronomical telescope is reduced. Polarization is cancelled. Plane polarized light is not there. Brewster's law is not there. Uses of plane polarized light and Polaroids cancelled. Chapter 11, dual nature of radiation and matter. Dual nature of radiation is there. Photoelectric effect, Hertz and Lenard's observations are there. Einstein's photoelectric equation, particle nature of light is there. Experimental study of photoelectric effect is there. Matter waves, wave nature of particles, de Broglie's relation is there. But Davison-Germer experiment, experimental details should be omitted, only conclusion should be explained, that is removed. Chapter 12, atoms. Alpha particle scattering experiment is there. Rutherford's model of atom, Bohr model, energy levels, hydrogen spectrum, all topics are there. Chapter 13, nuclei. Composition and size of nucleus, radioactivity is cancelled. Alpha, beta and gamma particles rays reduced, their properties reduced. Radioactive decay low reduced, half-life and mean life reduced. But mass energy relation is there, mass defect is there, binding energy per nucleon and its variation with mass number is reduced, removed. Nuclear fission is there, nuclear fusion is also there. Chapter 14, semiconductor electronics, materials, devices and symbols, symbol circuits. Energy bands in conductors, semiconductors and insulators, qualitative ideas only. Semiconductor diode, IV characteristics in forward and reverse bias. Diode as a rectifier is there. Special purpose PN junction diodes are there. LED, photodiode, solar cell. These topics are there. Zener diode cancelled, their characteristics removed. Zener diode as a voltage regulator also removed. So this is the syllabus for physics. Okay, so just take care about the removed topics. Those who are preparing for a competitive exam entrance, sure that we have to go through that topics, but board exam and internal assessment only it will not be there. But even though going through the concept is better. Okay, see you with the next class. Bye.